I am Monica from IELTS 9. So I will be telling you how to write IELTS Writing Task 1 process kind of diagram, how to start, what kind of vocabulary, what we can use it in writing. So some students will say this, we can't write more than 120 or 130 words for this process diagram. That doesn't matter. If you are explaining it well, if you have covered every step in process diagram, then there is no issue if you have completed 150 minimum words or not. Okay, but yes, if you use these kinds of words, connectors and these things, your words will definitely will go up from 150 to 170 or 160 for process diagram. This is also IELTS actual exam writing task 1 and simple water filter diagram. So I am analyzing the diagram. Please try to understand with me. So we will write, I will be telling you vocabulary words as well as how to write introduction, how to write overall paragraph, and how to write body paragraphs. So I am analyzing this diagram. So for first, a big funnel, or no, it is not funnel, it is vessel, I can see. And this is also, so this you can see one again, one pot. Of course, same way every student is confused what words we should use. It's for these process diagram you should learn the vocabulary like container, okay, layers, pipe. So layers, this is layers, this is container, okay, layers, and these are pipes, and angled metal or plastic pipe, filtering layers maybe there, filtered water is this, and of course all vocabulary we can find it here. This is sand, this is charcoal, gravel, drinking water, storage tank, tap is also there. So many things they have, and this is of course they are pouring here impure water. Okay, so whatever the words they have given in the diagram, you should use it in explaining body paragraphs as well as in introduction as well as in overall paragraph. So let's start how to write introduction. So definitely out of 20 minutes, first 5 minutes you need to spend for analyzing the diagram, process diagram or map diagram or any diagram. Analyze, and of course, yes, most of the student they ask me what kind of tense we are using it. We are going to use it simple present tense and present passive voice we will be using. Simple present tense sentence will come and passive voice sentences will come. Like if you remember in our childhood days in 9th 10th classes, we used to have Maggie making process diagram. There also we were using passive voice sentences in Maggie process. Okay, so here also same process we will be using it. I will be showing you sentence structure also. So let's start with introduction. Hello, you can subscribe, like, and you can write beautiful comment on my channel. Thank you so much in advance. And this is the question statement, how to write introduction in writing task 1. That is important. You need to paraphrase the question statement. So what I have written now, the diagram below. So instead of the diagram below, the given diagram instead illustrates, I have written depicts how a simple water filter is constructed and how it functions to produce clean drinking water. So depicts the process of producing clean drinking water through the water filter components like, okay, like containers, sand, charcoal and gravel. So whatever the words were given, I have used it here also. Sand, charcoal, comma will come here, and gravel. Okay, not every word I have not used in introduction. Okay, this is introduction. It's optional. If you want to write it here, then it's okay, because full stop will come here, not here. Okay, now overall paragraph, what we can see, overall paragraph we can see this. Overall, it can be seen from the picture that Overall, it can be seen from the line graph. Suppose this is line graph or bar graph. You can use the word bar graph, line graph, or pie charts. That there are numerous steps in the given process, initiated from pouring impure water into the big pot, which ends with the pure water from the tap. Now I have explained, or you can name, you can tell the total number of steps also here. Okay, so I have written numerous steps starting from, see this, numerous steps are there, starting from pouring impure water into the container, and water will go through all the layers, including and charcoal. So instead of writing every step, you can name all steps. You can name 5 steps or 6 steps, you can, but I have written there are numerous steps in the given process. Initiated means started from pouring impure water into the big pot, which ends with the pure water from the tap. From where it started and from where it ended, so that I have written. Okay, now how to write body detail paragraph, that's more important. As I told you, use every word whatever they have given in the diagram. Okay, so first we will talk about this and then we will talk about this. Here nothing to compare, we can't compare the things because process wise we will, but here make sure don't miss any step over here. So here you can see analyzing or looking into the detail or analyzing the first step, which contains 3 different materials. Okay, analyzing the first step, or analyzing the container pot, or the pot, you can say big pot, which contains 3 different materials like sand, charcoal and gravel. In the first step, impure water, in the first step impure water is put. So put, we have done it in the same way because put verb first, second, third same. Put. If some other word was there, then we could have changed the second verb also. We are writing this passive voice. Impure water is put into the metal pot with the bottle, with this is bottle. In this container, water is passed through first layer, which is sand sediment. Okay, sand sediments. Afterwards, charcoal layered bed, and finally third, gravel layer. This is gravel layer where water is settled temporarily. Where water is settled. See this is passive voice. Water is settled temporarily. Now furthermore, how the pipe will be used. Okay. Furthermore, an angled pipe. An angled pipe is there, so this is angled pipe. Helps in sucking the clean water to the final second container. Okay, now this is a, now I will be showing it to you. Now this is a drinking water storage tanks. They have given drinking water storage tank where a tap is attached to the bottom part of the storage tank. So I have side by side, when I am reading it, so I have got my mistakes regarding prepositions, definite articles and punctuation. So that is proofreading. Here a crystal clear drinking water can be taken out for drinking. So this line I have edited myself. So you can see full essay. This is my introduction, overall paragraph, introduction, overall paragraph, second body detail 1 paragraph, body detail 2 paragraph. For first body detail paragraph we have explained this, and in second paragraph we have explained the second one. This is full answer.